Let us study about thermodynamic. Thermo and dynamic. Thermo means temperature. Dynamic means motion. Thermodynamics is a branch of physics which deals with the measurement of temperature is called thermometry, and a device used to measure temperature are known as thermometer. Then heat. Heat is a form of energy. It is a form of energy called thermal energy. Heat is, heat is a form of energy called thermal energy, which flow from higher temperature body to lower temperature body when they placed in contact. Means this is a hotter body, this is colder body. If they will come in contact, then heat flow will be from hotter body to cold body, and heat flow will stop when temperature of two body will be equal. Like a potential. This is a hotter body and this is colder body. Then heat energy will be flow from hotter body to colder body. The SI unit of heat is joule, denoted as J, and the practical unit is calorie. One calorie is equal to 4.18 joule. And also we are expressing in kilocalorie also for our requirement. We observed that heat is a form of energy like electrical energy, magnetic energy, gravitational energy, wind energy, whatever may be the form, heat is also a form of energy. What is the 1 calorie? What is the 1 calorie? 1 calorie is quantity of heat required to raise temperature of water by 1 degree centigrade of 1 gram of water. Means calories, that much amount of heat when 1 gram of water raised to 1 degree centigrade, that is known as 1 calorie heat. Mechanical energy of work denoted W. Temperature. Temperature of a body is degree of hotness or coldness of the body. A device which is used to measure the temperature is called thermometer. Highest possible temperature achieved in a laboratory about 100 Watt, while lowest possible temperature attained is then NTP, normal temperature pressure, or STP means 273.15 Kelvin or 0 degree centigrade or 32 degree Fahrenheit. This is Kelvin scale, this is Celsius scale, this is Fahrenheit scale. Let us talk about different scale. Celsius scale. In this scale, temperature, the melting point of ice is taken as 0 degree centigrade and the boiling point of water taken as 100 degree, and the space between two points is divided into 100 equal parts. In case of a Celsius scale, the melting point of ice taken as 0 degree and boiling temperature of water taken as 100 degree. Then this is 0 degree, this is 100 degree, then there is 100 parts. Every parts 1 degree. Then Fahrenheit scale. In this scale, temperature, the melting point taken as here 0 degree, but in case of Fahrenheit it is 32 degree melting point, and boiling point of water taken as 211 degree. Then divided into 180 equal parts. Here 100 parts, here 180 parts. Then Kelvin scale. In this scale, temperature, melting point of ice is taken as 273 degree K, and the boiling point of water 373 K. Then divide into 100 equal parts. Here 273 K and 373 K, and it is divided into 100 parts. Then relation between these three scale for our calculation. Fahrenheit, Celsius scale C by 100 equal Fahrenheit minus 32 by 180. Kelvin minus K minus 273 by 100. And there is also another scale, Reaumur scale, R by 80. This is the conversion between two scale. If you will find the relation, then we will find this by multiplication of this box. Then we will get a relation between centigrade to Fahrenheit. In this way, we can relation establish centigrade to Kelvin. Then let us talk about thermometric property. The property of an object which change with temperature called thermometric property. Different thermometric properties thermometer have been given. Pressure of a gas at constant volume. P1 by T1 is equal to P2 by T2. Pt is equal to P0 1 plus T by 273 T is equal to Pt minus P0 by P100 minus P0 into 100 degree centigrade, where P100 Pt are pressure of gas at a constant volume 0 degree, 100 degree and a T degree temperature, where P100 and Pt are pressure of gas at a constant volume, at a constant volume 0 degree centigrade, 100 degree centigrade and a T degree centigrade. A constant volume gas thermometer can measure temperature from minus 200 degree centigrade to plus 500 degree centigrade. Electrical resistance of metal. Electrical resistance of metals. RT is equal to R0 1 plus alpha T plus beta T square, where alpha and beta are constant for metal. H beta is too small. Therefore, we can take RT is equal to R0 1 plus 80, where alpha temperature coefficient of resistance and R0 and RT are electrical resistance. At 0 degree centigrade and T degree centigrade. Then alpha is equal to R2 minus R1 by R1 T2 R2 T1, where R1 and R2 are electrical resistance at a temperature T1 and T2. T is equal to R1 minus R0 by R100 minus R0 into 100 degree centigrade, where R100 is the resistance at 100 degree centigrade. Platinum resistant thermometer can measure temperature from minus 200 degree to plus 1200 degree centigrade. Length of a mercury column. In a capillary tube, LT is equal to L0 1 plus 80, where alpha is equal to coefficient of linear expansion. L0 and LT are length of mercury column at 0 degree centigrade and T degree centigrade, where alpha is coefficient of alpha is equal to coefficient of linear expansion.